Right, this is Simple Solution video 64, number 1. We are just adding here, finding the sum. For 27,835. All right, number 2, 67 1-degree angles is like if it starts at 0 and it goes around in a circle 67 times, which means it's only 67 degrees. All right, number 3, find the product. Our first box is 600, 100, 60, and 10. Add these up, the product is 770. 770. All right, number 4. We're talking about a number of students on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but not on Thursday. That's what you had to solve. There's actually another equation that you could do here, is you could subtract each one of these and still get x. So if we come over here and add up 67, 44, and 33, is 144. So if you do 200 minus 144, that will give you the number of students she worked with on Thursday, which is 56. 56 students. All right, number 5, looking for a comparison. A connection between your two denominators is a divide by 2 for a numerator of 1. 2 twelfths is equal to 1/6. All right, number 6, we are doing area. Area equals length times width, which is 4 meters, times 9 meters, which is 36 meters squared. You have to have that squared there for area. All right, number 7. Another subtraction problem. Practicing with that regrouping here. For 100, sorry, it's 100. 145 is the difference. All right, number 8, they want to know which set of lines are parallel. That was letter A. All right, number 9, we are doing 16, which is 8 times as many as she did before, which would be B, where M is 2 miles. 2 miles. All right, number 10, we want to know the angle of Y. Well, this is 180 degrees minus 112 degrees, which is 68 degrees. So Y is 68. Number 11, we have 3 times as many as 9 baskets. Easy peasy here, 27 baskets. 12, we have to find a quotient. Well, 4 can go into 6,000 1,000 times. 824 is left over. It can go into 802 times, or 200 times. You're left with 24. That's a solid 6. And your quotient is 1,206. All right, my answers don't match up. I must have wrote my problem down wrong, and I did. All right, let's go back. I wrote the entire problem down wrong. Okay, 6,824 divided by 4. All right, you can go in 1,000 times. 2,824. Then it goes in 700 for 2,800. And then you have a solid 6 for 1,706. Sorry about that. All right, 13. 1.5 kilograms. They're cutting fudge. Each piece is that much. They want to know how many each piece weigh in grams, which is 1,500 grams of fudge for each piece. All right, 14, angle DEF. This is 0. You need to know this angle is acute. So when you zoom in to look at your numbers, here's 70 and here's 80. You have to use the smaller numbers because it's an acute angle. It's right smack in the middle. This is 75 degrees. All right, 15. We're rounding to the nearest thousand. Go next door. It's a 0. So 55 will stay the same, and everything else becomes a 0. That one is 55,000.